Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into an in-depth review of the SPPRANDOM 6K64MP video camera camcorder. If you're searching for a feature-packed camcorder that delivers exceptional video quality, this might be the perfect choice for you. Before we get started, if you're looking to buy this camcorder, be sure to check the link below for the best price available today. Unboxing and first impressions. Upon unboxing, the SPPRANDOM camcorder immediately stands out with its sleek and modern design. The build quality feels robust, and the camcorder is surprisingly lightweight, making it easy to handle during long recording sessions. The 4.0-inch touchscreen is a significant upgrade, offering a responsive and intuitive user experience. Video and image quality. The SPPRANDOM camcorder excels in delivering stunning video quality with its 6K resolution and 6.4MP sensor. Whether you're shooting professional-grade YouTube videos, vlogs, or any other content, the footage is crisp, detailed, and vibrant. The 1.8x digital zoom allows you to capture distant subjects with impressive clarity, making it versatile for various shooting scenarios. Night vision and low light performance. One of the standout features of this camcorder is its IR night vision capability. This allows you to shoot clear videos even in complete darkness, perfect for nighttime vlogging or documenting nocturnal activities. The low light performance is excellent, reducing noise and maintaining image quality in dimly lit environments. Connectivity and extras. The SPPRANDOM camcorder comes equipped with built-in Wi-Fi, enabling easy transfer of files to your smartphone or tablet for quick editing and sharing. It also includes a high-quality external microphone, ensuring that your audio matches the superior video quality. The package is complete with a 6.4G SD card, remote control, and charger, providing everything you need right out of the box. User-friendly features. The camcorder is packed with features designed to enhance your filming experience. The 4.0-inch touchscreen is highly responsive, making navigation through the settings seamless. The remote control adds convenience, allowing you to operate the camcorder from a distance. Additionally, the included microphone significantly improves audio quality, making your videos sound as professional as they look. Battery life and storage. With the included rechargeable batteries, you get extended recording time, which is crucial for lengthy shoots. The 6.4G SD card offers ample storage space for your high-resolution videos and photos, ensuring you won't run out of space mid-shoot. Verdict. In conclusion, the SPPRANDOM 6K64MP video camera camcorder is a powerhouse for anyone serious about content creation. Its combination of superior video quality, night vision capability, and user-friendly features make it an excellent investment for YouTubers and vloggers. If you're ready to elevate your content to the next level, click the link below to get the best deal on the SPPRANDOM camcorder today.